Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in Loancare account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.myloancare.com/web/home. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Loancare, where you need to simply type in your user ID and type in your password to get signed in into your Loancare account. So once both credentials are filled, simply press on the sign in option to get logged in into your account. However, if you don't have your account, then you can simply press on the create one option to create a new account of your Loancare. So this is how you log in Loancare. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.